Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we expose scams and review trending products so you don't waste your hard-earned money. Today, we're talking about a cleaning gadget that's been all over social media, the Synoshi Pro. They say it's a powerful handheld cleaning tool that can scrub away dirt and grime effortlessly. But is it really as amazing as the ads claim, or just another overhyped gimmick? Let's find out. So, the Synoshi Pro is marketed as a cordless electric scrubber designed to clean your kitchen, bathroom, car, and even outdoor surfaces. According to their website, it comes with multiple brush heads, claims to be rechargeable, waterproof, and powerful enough to tackle tough stains without any effort. Sounds like a dream come true, right? But here's where things start to look a little suspicious. When you look at the promotional videos, it almost looks magical, removing mold, dirt, and grease in seconds. But in reality, several buyers have reported that the product doesn't deliver the same results. Many reviews online mention that the Synoshi Pro's motor isn't as strong as shown in ads. The brushes spin slowly, and it often stops working under slight pressure. Plus, the battery life is much shorter than advertised. Some users say it barely lasts 15 to 20 minutes. Let's talk about the price and purchase process. The company behind Synoshi Pro often runs limited-time offers, claiming 50% off, but these offers seem to never end. Also, the product is mostly sold on third-party websites or pages that look questionable, with no clear contact info or verified company background. Some customers also reported delayed shipping, no response from customer support, and no refund even after returning the item. On platforms like Trustpilot and Reddit, genuine buyers have mixed feelings. A few say it works for light cleaning jobs like sinks or tiles, but the majority call it cheaply made and not worth the price. One user even mentioned it's basically a glorified toothbrush motor, not a high-performance cleaner as advertised. So, here's my honest opinion. If you're expecting industrial-level cleaning power, the Synoshi Pro is not worth the hype. It may help with light cleaning, but for the price and false marketing claims, you can find better quality cleaning tools on Amazon or in local stores. In short, it's not a total scam, but definitely an overhyped product that doesn't live up to its promises. So what do you think? Have you tried the Synoshi Pro or seen their ads? Let me know your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they don't fall for online product traps. I'll see you in the next video of Online Scam Advisor, where we keep you safe from scams and fake hype online. Thank you!